At the Cowpath Bakery, they're no strangers to using Washington milk products in their food. They know how important good ingredients are because they know firsthand where great milk comes from. Here at the dairy, Janice's husband, Christopher Baginski, is working hard to make sure his cows are happy and comfortable. But aside from his crew, he has a little help.
I got 3 kids, Nate here, he's gonna be 11 in October. I got another son, Eli, and my daughter Peyton, and they're all involved. So
it's a true family experience.
It is. They help on the day-to-day operations and feeding calves and cleaning. And you take care of the cows will take care of you.
And I can tell that these cows are well taken care of.
We keep a happy environment here. You got a comfortable cow, she's gonna lie down, she's gonna chew her cud. When a cow chews her cud, she's producing milk. And then we have exercise lots for our cows. So we give them their choice. If they want to go out and they exercise.
It's like a spa resort.
It's as close as we can to it, without a swimming pool and a massage therapist. So this is our parlor. So we're actually on the last lineup here for the morning. So we start at 4 a.m. The cows come in side by side. They like to come in, they kind of have a buddy system. A lot of times you see the same cows
are you
in the night.
serious?
In the morning, and there's certain cows that are always in the front and certain cows always in the back.
Now Chris is putting me to work.
So at first, we like to put on, this is a disinfectant. It's kind of an iodine base.
Okay.
But it's got little bristles to help keep them clean. And you'll go ahead and you'll wipe each teat clean.
She's like, nope, not having it.
This turns on the vacuum. Yep, and there you go. There's the milk comes.
Okay, I almost sucked her tail up there.
Now it's time for the grand tour.
This is where we raise all of our calves.
You are adorable.
Yep, this is a Jersey, and she's
Adorable. Hi, baby.
she's a little more than a month old.
I don't think a lot of people realize that you have to have baby cows to have milk. Right?
Well, that's just it. You want to have a calf every year in that 15 months. So it just starts the whole milk production going again, right? So we use our own milk here. Any milk that cannot go into human consumption is fed to the calves. Some farmers use powdered milk, but we prefer straight from the tank.
Yeah, everybody seems so content and peaceful here. I love that.
Yes.
This one over here really wants to be on camera.
Yes. This is a brown Swiss here licking my finger, and they're very curious. And then we got Jerseys here next to us, and then the black and white are obviously the Holsteins. So we like the Jerseys, and they utilize their feed just a hair better than the other breeds, and they got a higher fat content in their milk. The Swiss eat as much as a Holstein, and they'll grow as big as a Holstein, but they have more protein in their milk. And as much as many people believe, they do not give chocolate milk. So, so this is what we call our freestyle barn. And in here, this is where all the cows are housed. It's designed for this climate.
Keeps them cool.
Cool, exactly. Like we were just out in the hot sun.
Yeah, it feels
it's a
really
lot
good
cooler here. You get a little bit of a breeze, and that's the idea, that we don't have to really run fans in here because it's shaded. You get a nice airflow.
Yeah, it feels really good in here.
Yeah.
Happy cows.
Happy cows. Happy cows makes happy life.
About how much milk does a cow produce a day? I'll have the answer for you after the break.
Coming up, I'm making raspberry rolls at Cowpath Bakery.
When I whisk, I throw things around.
Yeah, try to keep it in the bowl.
And we're in the kitchen at Second Harvest trying Chef Laurent's Cannelé de Bordeaux.
A cow produces about 6 to 8 gallons of milk a day.